Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by verifying that your laptop or phone actually supports Displayport Alt mode on its USB-C port. This is the most common blocker. Once confirmed, pick a certified USB-C to Displayport cable or an adapter rated for the resolution and refresh rate you want, for example 4K at 60Hz. Next, make sure both devices are at least asleep or powered down to reduce negotiation errors. Then plug the USB-C end into your source to start the handshake. Once you plug the Displayport end into the monitor and wake the source device, the devices will negotiate resolution and refresh rate. That's why certified cables matter. If the monitor doesn't switch automatically, manually select the DP input on the monitor's OSD. Then open your system display settings and choose Duplicate, Extend, or External only depending on your workflow. Make necessary resolution and scaling adjustments so text is sharp. If audio should route over DP, enable it in sound settings to finish by confirming the picture and sound. Play a video or open a document to ensure stability. If the image flickers or shows no signal, first reboot both devices and reseat the cable. Then try another USB-C port or a known good cable to isolate the fault. If you use a hub or daisy chain, remember Displayport MSD can limit bandwidth, so lower resolution or refresh rate if necessary. Updating GPU drivers and monitor firmware often resolves stubborn compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.